Are you using custom for your domain and email hosting and want to access those emails through Outlook? Well, logging into a custom email in Outlook isn't as simple as just entering your email and password. You'll need to configure the correct incoming and outgoing server settings using the right ports and sometimes generate app-specific credentials depending on your security settings. This video walks you through the entire process step by step so you can get your custom email working in Outlook. And if you run into issues along the way, our experts are ready to help. Just dial in those numbers on the screen. Now let's begin with the process. For the first step, you need to open the control panel on your computer. In the control panel window, you'll need to find and select Mail. When a small pop-up box shows up on the screen, click on the Email Account option. Once you see the window, select the New option. Alright, select Manual Setup on the screen and then click on Next. On the Choose Services screen, pick POP or IMAP and hit Next. Now, you'll need to fill in all the required information on the page. Make sure everything's entered correctly. Once you've filled in everything, click on More Settings. A new box will pop up. Click on the Outgoing Server tab and check the box labeled My Outgoing Server requires authentication. Now, click on the Advanced tab. In the incoming server, enter 995 and check the box below it for encryption. Now, go to the outgoing server field and type 587 and then open the encrypted connection drop-down and select TLS. Make sure the Remove from the server after checkbox is selected. Then choose how many days do you want to keep your email on the server. I'm going to keep 20 days here. Once everything looks good, click on OK and you're all set. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and share it with others. For more detailed and easy to follow guides, subscribe to our channel or visit helpemailtails.com. You can also contact our experts at the following numbers for seamless one-on-one assistance.